Students, today we will start with elective geography, chapter 1, weather and climate. So before I start with the definition of weather and climate, I would like to tell you about one important factor, that is atmosphere, because the creation and changes of weather and climate takes place in the atmosphere. So atmosphere is what? Atmosphere is the gaseous layer. Is the gaseous layer which surrounds the earth in all the direction, and it is attached to the earth by earth's gravitational pull, and it has an extension of about 10,000 kilometers. This atmosphere is divided into different layers. That is 4 different layers. That is troposphere, mesosphere, exosphere and stratosphere. Out of this 4 layers, troposphere is the most lowest layer and also the most important one, because all the weather phenomena, even the creation of cloud and rainfall, takes place in this layer. Now let us move to the definition of weather and climate. So what is weather? Weather is what? It is the state of atmosphere for a few day, month or a week, and it takes place in a very short period of time and also in a very small area or a limited area. On the other hand, climate is the atmospheric condition, average atmospheric condition, considered for at least 30 years of time, and it takes place over a huge area, extensive area, and also for a very long period of time. Now let us discuss about the elements which helps in the creation of weather and climate. So these are the few elements of weather and climate. First one is temperature, pressure, humidity, wind and precipitation. So let us discuss about the first point, that is temperature. So as we all know, temperature is one of the vital point of weather and climate. It's one of the vital element of weather and climate. So temperature changes in the atmosphere. Temperature changes in the atmosphere both vertically and horizontally. And as we know, our earth is inclined by 23.5 degrees by its axis. So the northern hemisphere comes closer to the sun, while the southern hemisphere goes far away. Thus the northern hemisphere enjoys summer. On the other hand, the southern hemisphere enjoys winter. Again, at the same time, the sun rays falls vertically over the equator or equatorial region and obliquely over the poles, polar areas, both the poles. Thus we can see the temperature goes on decreasing as it moves towards the pole from the equator, So now let us discuss about the next point, that is pressure of air. So as you all know that air is a gaseous matter, so it has both mass and pressure. So the body of air is the atmosphere. As the body of the air is the atmosphere, so it also has pressure. The pressure of atmosphere is higher in the lower layer of the earth, and as we go up, it goes on decreasing. That means with elevation it goes on decreasing. As we are going up, it goes on decreasing. atmospheric pressure mainly depends on two factors, that is air temperature and surface elevation, and we can measure atmospheric pressure using barometric mercury column. So for today, up to here only. In my next class, I will discuss the other 3 points, that is humidity, wind and precipitation. Thank you.